Well, COVID cases across the country are shattering one-day records, and here in LA County, the health department reporting more than 16,000 new COVID cases just today. Our current surge is in line with how many cases we've had this time last year. Another number on the rise, hospitalizations among children. NBC-4's Ted Chen live for us now in downtown Los Angeles at a testing site with more on that and with some answers to questions about those home tests. Ted.
Carolyn, as I've covered the COVID surge this week, the lines at testing sites like this one at Union Station continue to grow. Demand for testing continues to skyrocket as concerns grow about children getting sick with COVID.
We know kids can get COVID.
Pediatrician Kate Williamson says she's seeing more children get infected with COVID, most of them unvaccinated. She is with Providence Mission Hospital in Orange County and president of its chapter of the American Academy of Pediatrics.
We are unfortunately seeing a huge increase in the number of kids who are exposed to and who are getting COVID, both in our clinics as well as in the hospital.
Dr. Rishma is a pediatrician at Dignity Health Northridge Hospital and the mother of 2 young children who aren't yet eligible to be vaccinated.
Patients that we are seeing are those that aren't eligible to be vaccinated, or kids who have not been vaccinated or have been partially vaccinated.
Local pediatricians we spoke with say they're seeing a national trend play out in California. The number of children hospitalized with COVID-19 jumping by more than 50% since the beginning of December. And they say the models they've seen suggest the numbers will keep going up.
If you have symptoms, you should definitely try to use a rapid test.
UCLA epidemiologist Dr. Anne Ramoyne says home COVID tests are not as accurate in detecting the Omicron virus, but are still useful. The key, she says, is to combine it with other safety measures.
The tests may be slightly less sensitive as it pertains to the Omicron variant versus previous variants, but they still are going to be a useful measure of whether or not you are contagious.
And the pediatricians I spoke with agree that even with this current surge, it's important that school resume on schedule at the beginning of the year for both the physical and mental well-being of the children. Reporting live from downtown Los Angeles, Ted Chen, NBC4 News. Carolyn, Kathy, back to you.